Philand's first big philanthropy event to raise money for our philanthropy World Vision. It's just a fiesta for Philand. It's lots of fun because we have food that was donated. The salsa club is here giving salsa lessons. Everyone's just having a great time hanging out with each other. Welcome to Fiesta.
That is why the guys are facing you so they can see. And girls, you're just going to mirror him. So ladies, you're going to start back on your right foot while he starts on his forward left. Yeah? So, here we go. We're going to try to embrace it with both hands. Okay. Here we go. Here's the basic. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7.
This is just to support our philanthropy, World Vision, and World Vision is just like a non-profit Christian organization that goes into other countries and they get donations to help children and families that are in poverty and are fighting world hunger and just help them in their lives.
This event is really fun because tacos, queso, and